Hey everyone, it's Jonna, the Preppy Crafty Girl, and I am here with some happy mail. Ba-ba-da. My friend Kelly, whom I met through Rebecca Hoot, Spring Swap, we decided to do another little swap, and I sent her some cover button thingies and asked if she would do some of her vintage fabric cover buttons. And then I sent her a bunch of cookbook related, cooking related vintage stuff that she needed for her summer camp that she is doing with the cuties online. So the Crafty Cuties. And anyway, so the mail came and she has been going through some stuff. And so I was shocked that it was even here. She didn't even tell me it was coming or anything. So let's just open. Thank you, Kelly, so much. But this looks way more than some cover buttons. Oh my goodness. What's this? Oh, there's a little note. I hope these are things you can use and that I haven't left anything out. Have a happy summer. Thank you. You too, Kelly. Hope your summer gets awesome. Today's Quilter magazine. Cool. Oh, I have seen some people use this. Celebrate cross stitch in their art, but I certainly want to sit here and read it because I don't really know anything about quilting. And anyway, that looks really cool. That is really neat. Spring blooms. And then she sent me the World of Cross Stitch, which I did a little bit of cross stitching back in the day, but when my kids were little. This is cool though. So there's patterns. Look at the mushroom pattern. Angela, if you're watching. And Carol at Crinkle Path, if you're watching, look at the bat. Oh my goodness, look at the bat. This is adorable. I haven't done cross stitch in a really long time. I have a bunch of floss though. Anyway, thank you, Kelly. These are cool. I really enjoy looking at those. Then she knows I'm doing the Candyland swap, and I'm also working on Willy Wonka journal. I cannot eat this stuff because it has corn byproducts in it, and I'm allergic to corn byproducts. So thank you for sending these because I'll be able to put them in my journal. I miss Juji fruits. Anyway, they get stuck in your teeth and everything. It's wonderful. Oh, what are these? Are these some label die cuts? Stickers. Those are neat. Thank you. She always packages everything so cute. Oh my goodness, did you make these? Envelopes. These are awesome. Look how cool these are. Good job. What a great way to use up your brads too if you have a lot of shaped brads. Really cool. You do this with a 12 by 12 piece of paper, but even in a journal you could fold it and still use it. Just trim this side, or in big journals you just put them in like that. These are fun. Thank you. That was a nice little unexpected little present. Very nice. Oh, I hear it. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my goodness, a Christmas. Is this a pillowcase? Did you make this? Oh my goodness, this is awesome. I'm gonna put this in my camper at Christmas time. Love it, because I only have a twin bed in my camper. Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. What, did you make this? I love it. How are you doing anything with between your knee and everything. Oh my goodness. Love this. This is gonna be so cute. I love how she danced. She's my favorite character, and him too. Oh my goodness. We have some Daisy fabric. Yes, for my Doris Day and Daisy book I'm doing. Very pretty. Thank you. I love that. Oh, and she cute little sunbonnet baby. Very cute. Perfect for my even though it's not Holly Hobby and it's not Little House on the Prairie, I still a little prairie girl. I still use her. Oompa Loompa! She told me she had this Oompa Loompa, and I'm just like, what? You have Oompa Loompa fabric? Oh my goodness. But she told me that they were too big to put on a button, but you know what? I may have something bigger I can put it on. Very, very cute. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, there's so much there. I'll be able to make a cover with it. For my Willy Wonka. Lipstick, cute, for my beauty school dropout books. Love it. Love that. Oh, I love this Holly Hobby. What? You have the best fabric. Oh my goodness. Look how cute. She's writing a letter. She's blowing out her candles. Oh my goodness. Love this. I'm definitely gonna do that. First of all, it's pink and green. Hello. American Graffiti. You know, this movie was on the other night. Very cute. Let's go to the hop. Hey sugar, what you doing? Going steady. Love it. So cute. Universal Studios. Yep. Oh, this is my favorite era. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is like the wrapping paper that I put on that one journal for you, but just in a different colorway. Look at her. Oh, and she's blowing the bubbles. No, you know what this is? I have some fabric. I bought a dress, a little girl's dress. It's just not this color. It was like purples and pinks and stuff. And it was a little girl's dress. Yep, that's what it was. And I thought I was getting a piece of fabric and I only got the little girl's dress, but I still saved it. Oh my goodness. I love it. Love, love, love. Thank you, thank you. Oh, and you found some toile. Cool. Yes, thank you so much. This is great. Very cool. Thank you. You are just such a blessing. Love all the fabric. And good and plenty, good and plenty. Choo choo. Okay, I know. I'm a kook. Oh my goodness. What are these? First off, I love the packaging. I'm going to so use that in my Candyland journal. Oh, these are those rubber bands you said that work great. Yeah, that's cool. Thank you. I did get some squinchy ones at the Goodwill bins one day, and I don't know how they're going to hold up. We'll see. But thank you so much. This is awesome. And then last but not least, she sent me a little bag of the covered buttons, and she did say she couldn't do them all because some of them didn't have backs, which is no big deal. I didn't check them. I literally just took what I had and threw them in a bag and sent it off to her. So I didn't even check them. But you should have just kept these. Why'd you send them back to me? So, oh, you sent me some of the Kelly's washi tape. Thank you. Washi tape sample. And candy. I don't have any candy washi tape. With all the hundreds of washi tapes I have, I don't have any candy. What in the world? Look at all these fabulous strawberries, little dove. Fun. These are so much fun. I don't know how you have the patience to do these. I just don't. But these are so stinking cute. That came out of there. These are so cute. Look at the one with the little bee on it and the little boy. I love the cherries. I love the ginghams. Perfect. Very, very, very fun. Yeah, these didn't have backs, she said, so she sent those back. But oh my gosh, Kelly. Okay, so I do have a Kelly covered button jar. I have a special button jar just for you with all your fun covered buttons you've made me, and I have them all joined together in here, and I'm going to add the rest in. So yeah, I'm gonna add all the rest in there. So thank you so much, Kelly, for doing that for me, and I appreciate it. And hint, hint, there's still some room in the jar. I'm just kidding. Oh my gosh, that's all you got going on, girl. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed my little Happy Mail share, my big Happy Mail share with all the fabulous things that Kelly sent me. I'm going to be back because we're going to be doing some Candyland stuff. Yay. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.
Come join in on the fun and grab your glue gun. It's the Preppy Crafty Girl Show.